Hi, I'm Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, I will be speaking telepathically.
And so today on Cooking with Edie, I'll be making walnut brownies, but not just any brownies. These are keto-friendly brownies. Will they be good? Of course they'll be good. Will they be good for keto people? Of course. But will they be delicious? Yes. Today we'll be using the Omnia Oven, which, if you look in the description below, you will find links to the Omnia Oven, as well as links to all the products you see here in this video. The recipe for this cook will be in the description below.
Hey, do us a huge favor. The best thing you can do to support my channel is to give us a thumbs up. In the beginning of the video, at the end of the video, wherever you feel is necessary to spread your love to me, Edie, of the Little House of Beans. And if so inclined, subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'm very excited to do this cook, especially because both me and my chubby husband are on keto. And with that, let's cook!